A 55-year-old male who has been recently diagnosed with type 2 diabetes mellitus. He presents to his primary care physician with symptoms of increased thirst, frequent urination, and unexplained weight loss over the past few months. So the symptoms are increased thirst, frequent urination, and unexplained weight loss. His medical history includes hypertension and hyperlipidemia, for which he takes certain medications. He has a family history of diabetes. Based on the clinical presentations and diagnostic results, he is diagnosed with type 2 diabetes mellitus. He is prescribed a drug X which acts on the AMPK enzyme in the liver. So what is this drug X? So X is metformin. Metformin is a anti-diabetic drug which acts on the AMPK enzyme in the liver. Metformin is widely used. It is used to manage type 2 diabetes mellitus, and it comes under the class of medication known as biguanides. Okay, so metformin, it is widely used to treat type 2 diabetes, and it comes under the class of medication known as biguanides. The pharmacokinetics of metformin: route of administration oral. The tablets are available in the form of immediate release and extended release. Immediate release means just after the ingestion, the ingredients of the tablet are released. Extended release means the ingredients are released slowly. So the tablets can be in immediate release form or extended release form. They are absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract and they are not affected by food. Oral administration, immediate release and extended release form tablets absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract, and they are not and the absorption is not affected by food. It has minimal plasma protein binding, distribution to liver and gastrointestinal tract. Then it's eliminated in the urine in a unchanged form, and it requires dose adjustment in case of renal impairment. So route of administration oral, tablet in the form of immediate release and extended released, absorbed from GIT. It is not affected by food. The absorption of metformin is not affected by food. Then distribution to liver and gastrointestinal tract, minimal plasma protein binding, and eliminated an unchanged form in the urine. So in case of renal impairment, the dose adjustment is required. Then the mechanism of action of metformin. Metformin, it will inhibit the AMPK enzyme in the liver. It acts on the AMPK enzyme in the liver and thus inhibits the hepatic gluconeogenesis. ये लिवर में ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस को इनहिबिट करता है जिससे हेपाटिक ग्लूकोज प्रोडक्शन रिड्यूस होगा. It also enhances insulin sensitivity in peripheral tissues. Okay, it will enhance insulin sensitivity in peripheral tissues, and it decreases intestinal glucose absorption. So there are three mechanism of action. ये लिवर में जो ग्लूकोज प्रोडक्शन है उसको रिड्यूस करता है, इंसुलिन के सेंसिटिविटी को इंक्रीज करता है इन पेरिफेरल टिश्यूज, and it decreases intestinal glucose absorption. Then the uses: metformin, it is used to treat type 2 diabetes, okay, as a monotherapy for initial treatment when lifestyle changes are insufficient, and it can be used as combination therapy with other anti-diabetic medications or even with insulin. It is also used in the management of gestational diabetes during pregnancy. तो टाइप 2 डायबिटीज़ को ट्रीट करता है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज टू ट्रीट gestational diabetes during pregnancy. Then the side effects of metformin, common side effects are gastrointestinal symptoms like nausea, diarrhea and abdominal discomfort. लॉन्ग टर्म यूज़ के कारण विटामिन B12 डिफिशियंसी हो सकता है. And lactic acidosis, it is a rare but serious side effect. and the risk of lactic acidosis is higher in case of kidney impairment or reduced oxygen levels. Okay. So metformin, it will act on the AMPK enzyme in the liver. It comes under the class biguanidines used to treat type 2 diabetes. Oral administration absorbed from GIT, not affected by food. Minimal plasma distribution. It is distributed to liver and gastrointestinal tract. Eliminated in urine in unchanged form. Then it will reduce the hepatic gluconeogenesis. It reduces hepatic glucose production. It enhances insulin sensitivity in the peripheral tissues, and it also reduces the intestinal glucose absorption. Treatment of type 2 diabetes, management of gestational diabetes, common side effects, nausea, diarrhea, abdominal discomfort, long term use के कारण विटामिन B12 deficiency, lactic acid is a rare but serious side effect of metformin.